So this weekend we went camping out at Rodman Reservoir, stayed at the KOA in Fort McCoy. Had a bear visit us the first night, so I slept in the truck the whole weekend because I ain't messing with no bears. I ain't be in no tent, be in no Scooby snack for no bears. So yeah, y'all can call me a wuss, whatever. I don't care. I ain't mess with them dadgum bears. But this was the first time we took out the new porta boat. We got the mud motor mounted up, got the trolling motor set up on it, and took it out. And we did some shiner fishing. Now this is my first time on this lake, first time shiner fishing, which is all brand new to me. I saw how some guys were doing it online and decided I'd give it a try. We put out from the boat ramp and went across the barge canal, fishing different spots, and then saw like 6 boats stacked up in this one area where we started fishing, and we started smacking some fish. I mean, it wasn't too crazy. I mean, we missed a bunch of fish. I mean, when you're shiner fishing, you really got to wait like 10-15 seconds to make sure you get a good hook set. Joseph, he had about a 7.5, 7-something pounder on and lost it. I lost a couple of good fish. And all in all, we caught, 8-9 fish. We caught some mudfish, and we caught some bass, some grinnell. So, I mean, it was a fun trip. We got to test the boat out and see how it worked out. And it worked out pretty good. I mean, we had a little bit too much weight in the boat considering we had 3 guys in it and coolers and 12 rods or whatever, something ridiculous. So, but it still performed, it's not cursed, and we caught a couple fish. So all in all, it was a good weekend. Here's some video clips of the fish we caught and, release videos and stuff like that. So check it out.
Yeah, right.
Oh, wait, 10, 9, 7, 6, 5. Set the hook, reel back. Justin is released. Yep. Let him wear himself out right there. Get out of his line. Keep your line up. Let him just play out right there. Look like that same one I caught. That'd be a cool video though. He's a little smaller than that. I don't know, he's about the same size. Alright, bring him over here. Just when you think these things are done, man. You got some pliers? Oh, you mean bitch. You want a picture with it or anything? Oh, he's mean. You gotta grab him like you're choking your penis off. They got a big, strong plate right there behind it. See?
You know, it's kind of funny, these fish, we got in there and first thing, you know, the sun started coming up and we didn't get bit. But when the sun came out, we started catching a couple fish, and then cloud cover came in and the bite just shut down. I mean, we couldn't get a bite to save our lives. But as soon as the clouds rolled away and the sun came out for about 30 minutes, I mean, it was on. I mean, there's a couple times where we doubled up. You know, I'd hook one, and then Justin would hook one, or Joseph would hook one, and it just got kind of crazy for a little bit. So, I mean, these bass are getting ready to spawn in this lake. They're starting to move up. They go out into the deep holes and come up as soon as the sun comes out. So, it was great fishing. I mean, I have no doubt that this lake can produce big fish. I mean, none of our fish are really small. They were all over 3 pounds that we caught. So, you know, I've seen videos of 14-pounders caught in this lake. I know these fish are in there. It's just timing it right and being in the right spot at the right time. So hopefully we get to make another trip out and, you know, catch a big one. I mean, that's what we want to do. Alrighty, y'all. Y'all don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. You know, like the Full Time Outdoors page if you like what we're doing. Thank y'all.